Now, let us find out some formula to calculate these areas. Let OAPB be a sector of a circle with center O and radius R. Let the angle AOB is theta. Angle AOB is equal to theta. We know that area of circle, circular region or disk is equal to pi r square. We can consider this circular region to be a sector forming an angle of 360 degree at the center O. Now, by applying the unitary method, we can arrive at the area of the sector OAPB as follows. When degree measure of the angle at the center is 360, then area of the sector is equal to pi r square. So, when the degree measure of the angle at the center is 1, then area of the sector is equal to pi r square by 360. Therefore, when the degree measure of the angle at the center is theta, area of the sector is equal to pi r square by 360 into theta. So, area of the sector of a circle of angle theta is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle and theta the angle of the sector in degrees. Length of the arc APB. Now, let us find out the length of the arc APB corresponding to this sector by applying the unitary method and taking the whole length of the circle as 2 pi r. So, length of an arc of a sector of angle theta is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So, length of the arc APB is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Now, let us take the case of the area of the segment APB of a circle with center O and radius r. We see that area of the segment APB is equal to area of the sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle OAB. From figures, we calculate area of the major sector OAQB is equal to pi r square minus area of the minor sector OAPB, and area of major segment AQB is equal to pi r square minus area of minor segment APB. Let us take some examples to understand these concepts.